Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Grab my phone, I'll step out here. So today we are hauling a little bit of hay. Got the big flatbed hooked up. I don't know if you can see my tractor way down there, kind of in those woods. Got some bales piled up here. Got some bales kind of stacked up and ready to go. Gonna get these hauled up. So where we are at is a place that I leased just for hay cutting. It's actually a really nice place. It is a historical site here in Oklahoma, located in Fort Towson. There's actually the remnants of an old fort up here that was used during the Civil War era for supplies and whatnot. I don't think there was actually any battles fought here, but there actually has been a lot of Civil War artifacts found here at the fort site, which is pretty cool. They do have a good, really nice museum up here. So if you're in the area, swing by and check it out. If you're big into Civil War era history, definitely a cool place to come and see. So there's a little tidbit on that, but just to get back on topic, the Oklahoma State last year started leasing this out for hay. I bid on it and won, so I have a 3-year lease. But I have sold a lot of the hay off of it already, but I have some bales left, so I'm going to haul those down to the house, which is just not too far, you know, a mile and a half, something like that. So I haven't really even advertised these for sale. I'm just going to haul them down to the house, and then I have some other family members that may be interested in them, or maybe even my neighbors. So I'm going to get these out of here, and that way everything is taken care of here. Everything looks nice and don't have all these bales hanging around here for the public to see. So just want to keep everything looking nice and neat, and that's kind of the idea. Just when you are leasing something, take care of it, and you know your people leasing it to you will be happy, and things will just be a lot better in the long run. So I'm going to get these loaded up, get these down to the house, get them unloaded. So let's get started. There's the old fort up there. I don't know if you can see it, but the main thing I wanted to show you before I hopped in is got the spear on, and one thing I really like with this spear is this hydraulic top link. One thing you'll find with a lot of these spears is that the distance from that top pin to these lower link pins is too short. It's made for a quick hitch, so the geometry doesn't really work out there for you to be able to spear that hay bale. And then when you get to the top point of your lifting, that your spear is tilted back enough so that your hay bale won't fall off. It's one thing I've experienced with some of these newer spears, but the remedy to that is definitely this hydraulic top link. I can make this angle of this spear match any bale out in the field. You know, sometimes your bales are lopsided, sometimes they are in a hole or something like that, and it's hard to get that spear into them just right. This compensates for every bit of that, so it makes it really nice. And on top of that, you know, you get it speared, you can shorten that link, this hydraulic link, as far in as it will go, and that bale will not come off no matter what type of dip or mound you drive up on or anything like that, because especially if you get, you know, your top link size right, you'll have the spear at such an angle that bale won't fall off. And I'll try to show that to you here once we get going. So I'm gonna hop in and hold tractor, get some AC going, because it's the middle of August here in Oklahoma and it is nice and toasty. But that's enough talk. I gotta get these bales loaded up. I'm gonna get these first, and then there's actually some more bales up on the back side there that I have to get. But we'll see. I don't remember how many I have in this little bundle here. We'll see what I can get on this trailer. I've got 32 bales total to haul, so I'm just going to split that up into even loads. We'll do 16 per load. load up the bottom of my trailer, which is exactly 14 bales. And so I'm going to have to go back up to the backside over here and get my other 2 bales. But first I have to drive the tractor over there, walk back, and then get my truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. There's just 2 bales, get those loaded up, take this load to the house, and I'll catch you guys when we head that direction. Alright, we got 16 bales loaded up, and we are ready to get this first load and head out. I went ahead and gathered up the rest of the bales, so when I come back, they're all right here. All I have to do is load them up and take off. This is the back side that we baled. So, yeah. All right, let's get these down to the house and come back and get this other load, because it is 147 and it's pretty stinking hot. I keep getting alerts for heat advisory. It's August in Oklahoma. It is what it is. So yeah, feels a lot better in here. all the bales are here. We are done with this little set. Have some more bales down back behind the house that I actually need to haul up here as well, but I have something else in the works for those, so I may wait until that gets done to haul those up here. Anyhow, this job's done. I'm going to take my trailer back and get my tractor, take the skid steer back to my neighbor, and we'll be done hauling hay for a few days anyway. Anyhow, that's it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed it at all, do me a favor, click that thumbs up button and like this video for me. Also leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.